How to reset routine maintenance required oil life. Mitsubishi Lancer year 2007-2015. How do you reset oil light after oil change? Insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the AC position without starting the engine. Lightly press the info button until the screen switches to the service reminder display screen. Press and hold the info button for about 2 seconds or until the wrench icon flashes. Lightly press the info button to change the display from to clear. OK, done. Now I start the engine of the car and show that the routine maintenance required service light has been reset. Inshallah, you can also reset the engine oil service light. Comment if you have trouble understanding. Thanks for watching the video.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.